Hello there everyone, YoshiRocks2244 here, and today I'm here to share with you my 2010 Chevrolet Colorado LT Crew Cab. It's a red exterior. This is known as Jewel Red, I believe. Has 16-inch wheels with Mastercraft tires. These are WeatherTech no drill mud flaps. I added these. It's chrome running boards. There's a factory bed liner. Now I added all these stickers on the back. Here's a view from the back. It's a good tow package. It's pretty solid. It's a good bed space. Here's my exhaust pipe. Here's a view from this side. It's halogen headlamps. Nice chrome grille. Fog lights down below. It's the windshield. I wonder who that is right there. Let's have a look inside. Carpet on the door. Power locks, windows, mirrors. There's speakers on all four doors, as well as tweeters. It's a bench seat. You could sit 3 people. It's a manual seat. It's my instrument panel with the tachometer, fuel gauge, coolant temperature, speedometer. It's a 4-speed automatic. Has cruise control. It's just the wipers, wash fluid. It's your headlights, fog lights, cargo box light, 4-wheel drive. This definitely comes in handy in the winter. Traction control, aftermarket radio with cassette player. Yes, I said cassette player. Air conditioning and heat. Cup holders. Storage. I'll show you the rest of the truck. It's the back seat. There's a lot of back seat room. Again, you sit 3 people here. I'm about 6 feet tall, roughly. And as you can see, there's a lot of room between the seat and my knee. Cup holders. Now I'm gonna pop the hood and show you guys the engine. Now here's my engine. This is a 3.7 inline 5 WeatherTech. You can see under here it's very clean. It's my air filter, wash fluid and coolant. It's my radiator, battery. That's where the oil goes. Now this engine puts out about 242 horsepower and 242 pound-feet of torque. Come on, focus. That's not letting me focus on that. I'm going to shut the hood. Here's the key. I'm going to start it up for you. so you can hear it. Sorry about that beeping, that's a school bus. Starts right up. It's my mileage, 59,466. The engine is very quiet when it's idling. Get the exhaust. Here's the exhaust. And back inside. Power steering. I've had this truck 2 years now and I love it. It's been really good. It runs good. It's pretty fast. I tow my trailer with it and it tows good. I haul stuff in the bed. The four-wheel drive works well. Air conditioning and the heat work well. I maintain it well. You can see it's very clean. So yeah, go ahead and shut it down. So yeah, that's it. This is my 2010 Colorado. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.